And now in this last slide, we're told in this case that the sales tax at this restaurant is 9.5%. Another person's subtotal is $24.95. So they paid, again, there's their itemized list, and that adds up to $24.95. Can you figure out what the sales tax rate is? So how can we find 9.5% of that $24.95? Go through those scaffolding questions again. Can you find 10%? Can you find 1%? How can we find 9.5% of that? And that's going to be our sales tax. The second question, someone else had a sales tax of $1.61. Can you figure out what the subtotal was from there? That's a really good question. See if you can get that one. I'll give you a bonus point if you can get that one right. That's a good challenge for you. All right, so let's try wrapping this up for homework tonight. Good job, guys. Good to see you yesterday.